Hi again. So we are getting back with some fixed issues. Actually, I was having also problem with rotation. So I wanted that my phone, in order to record my screen, to be as a landscape, not as portrait. And actually, I found an application that is called Rotation Control, as you may see here. So the last app here, Rotation Control. So you can install this app from your Play Store or App Store. So you can click here to the rotation store, and you have to activate this start controlling rotation and start on boot also. So these two options should be active. And then when you active these two options, go and check in your notifications. You know, when we get the notifications on our phones. So just right here, you can see you are going to get this banner like that, or how to say. So it's a kind of option like with a lot of features. Just before or next to the R letter here, you can click and activate this button. So not this one, but this. So okay, sorry, you see. So when you click, it's going to change. And now it's okay. You're going to have your screen that you want. So in this case, I wanted my screen as a landscape, not as portrait. If you want portrait, you just click R, but if you want as a landscape, just click here and it's not going to move. So the sensors, even if your sensors doesn't work, just try with this app and it's going to work perfectly. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.